Hey, what's up everyone? Today is going to be a quick video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the TRD skid plate onto the new Tundra. So let's get started. What we got to do first is we got to take out this bolt, this one, and then there's two. I don't know if you can see it if it's dark, but there's two right in there. Is that plastic? Plastic skid plate? Okay. So now we're ready to install the skid plate. But what I found out is this piece right here, the motor, is in the way. So I'm not able to push the skid plate forward enough to get these in the hole. So what I'm going to do is hook this in the rear and then start bolting it up from the rear first and move my way forward. And that should work. I got it hooked up. I don't know if you can see it, but right now the hook is resting in the hole. So what I'm going to do is put the bolts on in the rear. And the skid plate doesn't come with a couple extra bolts, so I found this in my spare bolt container. I found two of them. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. So I'll go back and tighten all of these up after all of them are in. Now the hard one, it's hard because you got to get behind this wind deflector thing. Now I'm going to try to get the front bolts in. That was easy. Easier than I thought. And that is the TRD skid plate for the 2022 Toyota Tundra. Alright, and that wraps up this video of the install of the TRD skid plate. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.